Assalamu alaikum. I noticed that my laptop got fat. Let's check what is happening inside the laptop. The battery is swollen. Why this happens? The BMS circuit protects the battery from fully discharging and overcharging. But when the BMS fails to do its job, then due to chemical reaction, it creates gases and swollen the battery, and even explosion can be occurred due to this fact. So it's dangerous. Let's fix it. Make a small hole and let the gases out. After this, tape the hole very well. So this is how you can fix your swollen battery. Take care everyone, and Allah Hafiz.